Indians around the world are celebrating Diwali, the festival of lights. In India, there are worries that festivities could make the coronavirus pandemic in that country worse. This is the Golden Temple, lit up this weekend to mark the occasion and welcome thousands of visitors. Diwali is considered one of the most important celebrations in the country. Officials have called for scaled-back festivities this year, but they fear many people won't listen and large gatherings will spread COVID-19. Freelance reporter Rebecca Bandan has more from Mumbai.
This year, Diwali is certainly a more subdued affair. It's very the festive atmosphere is not really what we normally expect from Diwali at this time of year. But having said that, for Indians, it's really not an option for most people not to go ahead with any Diwali celebrations. People are still celebrating. A lot of people are reducing the scale of their celebrations, but they're still gathering. People are still traveling, meeting people, and that's fueled concerns that this could lead to a spike in the number of cases. The number of COVID-19 infections on a daily basis has actually come down. Today, for example, we saw 44,000 cases added in the past 24 hours, which is a lot, but that compares to approaching 100,000 cases a day in September, which was seen as a peak. India now has 8.7 million cases in total. It's the second worst affected country after the United States, and doctors do worry that these festivities could lead to a further spike in cases. Authorities have warned people to observe social distancing rules, to wear masks and so on, but unfortunately a lot of people don't necessarily always follow these rules, and a lot of people aren't limiting the size of their celebrations. Some people are doing things like virtual events, but others are still going ahead with quite large Diwali parties. They've been out shopping at markets, not necessarily everybody observing social distancing or wearing masks. So there really is this fear that in a few weeks we'll see that impact coming through with a sharp rise in the number of cases, a sudden surge in the numbers, which could even go beyond those peaks we saw in September rather, some experts warn.
That was freelance reporter Rebecca Bandan in Mumbai.